Now, good afternoon, class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and also hope you all are safe and healthy at home. So, dear student, this is Joy Singh, your maths teacher. So, welcome you all in a maths class. So, everyone, take out your book, Systematic Mathematics, and take out your pencil, eraser, and sharpener. Now, see here. We are discussing about the multiplication. हम लोग multiplication के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे. Okay, so multiplication is what? It is a repeated addition. Multiplication क्या है? Multiplication is a repeated addition. Okay, now write the multiplication fact of for the following. Come to page number 85. Page. Okay, student, come to page 85. Now here it is there given write multiplication fact for the following. So you have to write down multiplication facts. Okay, so see, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to box, again box. Okay, after that is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equals to box, again box. Then 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equals to box and again box. Okay, like this it is given in your book. Then is 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 is equals to box into box. Then is 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equals to box into again box. Okay, then is 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 again box into box. Okay, it is written like this. Now see here student, 2 plus 2 plus 2 means 3 times क्या? 1 2 3 3 times आया है आपका, क्या आया है? 3 times. So 3 I have written 3 times 2. So like this you have to write down 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 3 I have written here and 3 times क्या? 3 times 2. Okay, 3 times 2. Got it? Now again 1 2 3 4. So 4 times 4 I have written 4 times 1 2 3 4 4. Then 1 2 3 4 4 times what comes? 4. 4 times क्या है? 4. Now 1 2 3 4 5 यानी 5 times आपका क्या आया? 5. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 यानी 6 times 9. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 9. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 times क्या? 8. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 times 7. Okay, so like this you have to complete the multiplication fact on page number 85. So do it, student. Okay student, now on this page only some pictures are given. Keys, how many keys? Okay, how many keys? So it is written like this: box into again box is equals to box. Okay, so you can count key 1 2 3 4. 4 keys are there in one ring. एक ring में कितने keys है? 4. So 1 2 3. 3 times 4 keys. Okay, 3 times 4 keys. So 3 4s are 12. Okay student, means 3 times कितने keys है? 4 keys है, तो it comes 12. Now eggs, 3 plates में eggs रखे हुए हैं और 2 eggs रखे हैं each plate. So how many eggs? How many eggs? It is there. So 3 times means 3 times 2 eggs. यानी 3 plates में 2 eggs रखे हैं, तो 3 2s are 6. Now how many fingers? How many fingers? Okay, how many fingers? So here it is 3 hands are there और 3 hands में कितने fingers शो हो रहे हैं? 5 fingers. So 3 times 5. Okay, so 3 times 5. So 3 5s are 15. Total 15 fingers. Okay, so like this page 85 is completed. So understood student? This one. So 15 fingers are there. So 3 times 5 fingers. Okay. 3 times 4 keys. 3 times 2 eggs. Okay student. So these are all multiplication fact. Okay student, so come to page number 86. Now come to page 86. Now multiplication on number line. Okay, number lines पे multiplication. So see here on page 86, I am solving the problems here. Use this number line to fill in the boxes. Use these number lines to fill in the boxes. ठीक है, boxes को fill करने के लिए use the number line. So number line is this. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Up to 18 आ रहा है, इसलिए मैं up to 18 ही लिख रही हूँ. Okay. Now see 7 into 2. 7 into 2 is equals to, here it is box. Okay. Then is 1 into 2. Again box. Then 4 into 2. Then 9 into 2. Okay. Then 8 into 2. Then 6 into 2. Okay. So using what? Using number line. You have to do the. So 7 into 2. So 7 times आपको jump करना है कितने कितने numbers? 2 2. Okay. So see, starting from 0 2 7 times. So 2 2 number आपको jump करनी है. Skip करना है 2. So 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 टाइम मैंने स्किप किया क्या, तो कितने पे आया ये 14. कितने पे आया 14. सो आंसर इज व्हाट 14. और 7 2 सा 14, ऐसे भी 14 आता है, तो इट इज करेक्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट. नाउ 1 into 2, यानी 1 टाइम्स आपको जंप करना है कितना 2. 1 टाइम 2. सो आंसर इज 2. ओके. नाउ 4 टाइम्स जंप करना है अगेन 2. So 1 2 3 4. 4 टाइम मैंने जंप किया 8. आंसर इज 8. नाउ अगेन 9 टाइम्स 2. 9 टाइम्स 2 जंप करना है, यानी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 टाइम जंप किया तो लास्ट में क्या आया 18. So answer is 18. Okay student. Then 8 times 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it is what 16. And 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 2 is 12. Okay. So I am using only one numbered line and you have to use this. आप अलग देख लीजिएगा और इरेज करके भी आप अपने बुक में कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज द आंसर. सो डू इट स्टूडेंट. Okay, so like this you have to complete. This is number 1 and one more number lines are there और उसमें questions और भी हैं. So that you have to do by your own. Like this only you have to solve the problems. Okay, so you have to complete page 85 and 86. Okay, this is your homework. Okay student, it is your homework. Page 85 और 86 को आपको करना है in your book. Okay, in your book. So do it. So hope you all are understanding now. You don't have any problem while doing these questions. आपको कोई problem नहीं हो रही है ना? Okay, if you feel any problem or you face any problem, you can call to me. Okay, during the school timing. Okay student. So till then do practice at home and please work hard and also mention the date on the top, as today's date is what? Today is 14th October 2020. So please mention the date on the top and do all the work on time. Okay, so again I will meet you in the next class. So till then keep learning, be safe and be healthy. Bye.